Welcome back, guys. This is Rick Lee from Rick Lee Studios. Have you ever been playing a video game on an old keyboard like this and didn't get the response that you were going for? We can throw that out today because we're going to talk about the Corsair K70. It's an RGB mechanical gaming keyboard that has a very impressive light show that I will show you at the end of this video, so you got to stick around for that. But until then, click that subscribe button, smash that thing really hard. And if you've already done that, click that bell. We'll notify you when the next video is ready for download. Today's music's brought to you by Epidemic Sounds, where you got tons and tons of music to choose from. Also sound effects, check them out, epidemicsounds.com. Stick around. One of the things that I noticed when I first picked up this keyboard was that it has an aircraft grade anodized brushed aluminum frame. Now this thing does have some weight to it. It also has 8 megabytes of onboard memory. It also has gold contact Cherry MX key switches for that extra contact to make sure that you're going to get the connectivity and speed that you need for each keystroke. It also carries 3 profiles right on the keyboard. You can set up your profiles, and if you want to go from one to another real quickly, all it is a press of a button. Now remember, this does have the Cherry MX key switches. It's for a fast, accurate, linear response. You're going to love it. So I'm going to be pretty impressed to see what it actually looks like in person. I have not yet opened this, so we're going to see this at the same time. Look at this. It's a pretty awesome looking keyboard from what I'm seeing. Look at the wiring on this. That is crazy. Gotta say, Corsair really puts their stuff together nicely. Look at that. Comes with a really long cord too, by the way. So I'm gonna pull this bad boy up. Man, that is heavy. You don't have to worry about that thing going across your table. Alright. Normally I'd say you don't need instructions, however, you're going to see why it might come in handy on this particular keyboard. Looks like we have some gaming buttons. Look at that. So let's go get this bad boy plugged in and see what she'll do.